नमस्कार मु सुनंदन मिश्र। जीविका बिना जमती जीवन असंभव ठीक सेमती शिक्षा बिना भविष्य गठन मध्य असंभव अर्थात जीविका और शिक्षा उभय जीवन गठनर प्रमुख अंग। मात्र कोरोना महामारी जो शिक्षार गाड़ी बहुत प्रभावित होइछि। तामाने नुहे जे स्थिति एमिति बलवत्तर रहिबो बा स्थिति रे सुधार आसीबो नाही। तेणु पिलांकर भविष्य गठनर से गाड़ीर सारथी आज जी ओडिशा साजिछि। लाइव क्लास जरिया राज्यर अगणित विद्यार्थी को घरे बसी पढ़िबार सुजोग देछि जी ओडिशा। आमर ए प्रयास एमिति जारी रहिबो। प्रतिदिन दक्ष शिक्षक माने पिलांकर क्लास नेबे एवं तांका प्रश्नर रखिबे उत्तर। तेणु आसंतु आरंभ करिबा आजिर लाइव क्लास। आजिर विषय रहिछि दशम श्रेणीर इंग्राजी व्याकरण आ क्लास नेबे नकुल कुमार मल्लिक सर।
Hello students, hearty welcome to G Odisha live classes. Here I am Malik sir from Patrapada Bhawanpur Government High School, Bhubaneswar. Okay friends, we have already interacted several times through this program, and I think this platform has brought you the golden opportunity to get maximum advantage during this pandemic situation. Besides, this is a unique program, not recording but live class, and you are also participating. Thanks a lot for your kind cooperation and interaction. Okay friends, from our topic point of view in English subject, we have already covered 4 grammar portions. Okay, so there were 10 portions. Out of 10, 3 chapters have already been omitted, and rest 7 chapters we have completed. 4 chapters, that is subject verb agreement and simple compound complex and noun clause and its function and passive. Okay, so today we will learn that is preposition. Okay, so preposition, of course it is some extent difficult. Still you have to focus on preposition. I have composed a poem. We will go through a poem first, and they will explain all the structures logically. Okay, so now enjoy the poem and focus on that is preposition, not the poem. Okay, so in the morning, in the evening, so you have to focus on in, where in is used. Now come to poem. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in 1947 planted tree in June. Get up at 4:30, yoga at 5. At 12, enjoy English grammar on G Odisha Live. On Christmas Day, on New Year's Day, or birthday, on Sunday, go to market with a mask in a week for one day. Died of disease, died from overeating. Died of disease, died from overeating. At the end of the year, in the end of meeting. In time for school, boys, on time for train. Go to school on your cycle, but foreign by plane. I can walk through the jungle, run on grass. I can walk through the jungle, run on grass, between for 2 things, among for mass, on the way to destination, in the way for break. Always make online payment, not in cash or by check. On a farm in the field, on railway at the station, obey traffic rules in city and the junction. Cheese from milk, ring of gold. Don't laugh at the beggar, take care of the old. Now tell me, what is the place of adjective, that is the preposition? Yes, preposition takes place before the noun, over, above, below, under, up and down. Okay friends, these are all about preposition, and now we will explain them logically. Friends, if you will ask your teachers about preposition, one answer will come, that is a preposition is very hard, difficult subject. Okay, so of course it is difficult because the preposition has a vast range. It is widely used. Besides, there is little difference in meaning. So it is difficult. But if you learn logically, everything will easy for you. Okay, so one fear in your mind. First of all, you have to give up fear from your mind. That is, preposition is very difficult. I cannot do it. बहुत कष्ट एटा मु पारिबिनी मो द्वारा हबनी. So first of all, you have to give up the fear, because fear makes one nervous and fear demoralizes one. Come down example. The speed of tiger, that is 50 kilometers per hour, but the speed of that is deer 70 kilometers per hour. But tiger makes the deer his prey. तो क्यों? क्योंकि the deer has fear in his mind. Deer is afraid of the tiger, and deer thinks it cannot be possible. I cannot get escaped from the tiger. पछुको चाहूँथिबो काले tiger पळे आसलेगी attack कलेगी. That is the drawback. That is the demerit. So first of all, you have to give up fear from your mind and listen attentively. If there is any doubt, make a note. And besides, if you have any doubt, and go through again and again, because G Odisha live classes are also sent through the, that is YouTube. You can see again and again till to get complete understanding. Okay. So now we will explain all the structures logically. What is today's topic? That is preposition. Okay. Preposition. Here there are two syllables, pre, another one that is position. Pre means before. Pre means before. Prefix, pre-plan, that is a prefix. Able, unable. Unable, that is a negative prefix. Prefix are two types, negative and positive. Here that is unable. You see? So this one is a pre. So there is a prefix. So preposition. Pre means before. And position means place. Place of noun. Okay? So the word used before noun. Before noun. What is the position? Position of noun. Position of noun. And the word that used before noun, that is preposition. We know the preposition takes place before the noun, over, above, below, under, up and down. Okay. So now it is clear what is preposition. Okay. Now we will explain different structures. First of all, we will see that is number one, in the morning, in the evening, okay, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, that is in the afternoon. You see. So why in is used here? Because at 6:30 you say good morning sir, at 9:30 good morning, 8:30 good morning, at 10 good morning sir. So there is no exact point of time or fixed point of time. So we use in before the time, that is in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. Okay, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, and there is in a week. In week, okay, that is in month, in year. You see, duration of time, that is in is used before morning, evening, afternoon, and in is used before, that is week, before month, that is before year, and before season. Okay. So now tell me, I met my friend dash morning, in the morning. I met my friend dash evening, in the evening. Dash afternoon, in the afternoon. India got her freedom, dash 1947, in 1947. India got her freedom, dash August, in August. Okay, I can do this job, work, dash a week, in a week. Okay, so in is used for time in this manner. Come to another one, that is art. Okay, so I have also composed the poem with almost all the prepositions. Side by side, I have also highlighted some moral message or value-based message. Okay, you see, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. In 1947, planted tree in June. Okay, so in June, that is month, in 1947, that is a year. Now come to another structure, that is art. You see in the morning, at 4:30, at 5, okay, at midnight, at midday, at noon, at sunset, at sunrise, okay. So exact point of time, for a point of time, for exact point of time, art is used. Here you see at 4:30, get up at 4:30, yoga at 5. So at 4:30, at 5, okay. Midnight, at midnight, ठीक राति 12, exact point of time. And midday, that is noon, at noon, ठीक दिन 12, at 5:30, exact point of time. At sunset, at sunrise. And besides, and art is also used before the meal of the day. You know, there are 5 meals of the day. That is breakfast, that is brunch, that is lunch, then supper, then dinner. When in the morning meal, that is breakfast. When you take the meal at 10 a.m. or 10:30 or 9:30 when you go to school, that is brunch. At 1 or 2 or that is 12:30 or 1, that is lunch. School फेरला बेले जो 4-5 बेले खाओ, that is called supper. We have learned in past prose, that is letter to God. Lench's wife was preparing supper for her children, okay. So that is supper, and night meal, that is dinner. So art is used before the meal of the day, at dinner, at breakfast, at supper, okay. So before meal of the day, art is used, okay, preparation art is used. Now it is clear. Then you see, now we will go through, that is, this one is time, and another structure, that is for place. You see, okay. Now we will see year, that is year 1947. This one time, in 1947, India got her freedom dash 1947. In 1947, but India got her freedom dash August 1947, dash August 1947. Yes, in August 1947. Because in is used for August, in is used for 1947. Okay. Another one, India got her freedom 15th August, that is 15th August 1947. Yes, on 15th August. Because on is used for date or day. Okay, date or day. Monday on Monday, Sunday on Sunday, Christmas Day on Christmas Day, but Christmas at Christmas, Easter at Easter, Christmas Day on Christmas Day, Easter Day on Easter Day, New Year at New Year, New Year's Day at New Year's Day. Okay, sorry, on New Year's Day, New Year at New Year. Similarly, August, that is in August, 15th August on 15th August. You see, I met my friend dash evening of Sunday. Evening of Sunday. Evening of Sunday. Here we say preposition is not used for evening, used for day. So on evening of Sunday or on Sunday evening. Okay. Now it is clear. Now come to question point. He met his friend at 6:30. At 6:30. Okay. He met his friend dash afternoon. In the afternoon. And he met his friend dash Sunday evening. On Sunday evening. Dash Easter. At Easter. Dash New Year. At New Year. Dash New Year's Day. On New Year's Day. Dash Sunday. On Sunday. Birthday. On birthday. Holiday. On holiday. So preposition is used before day or date. Okay. Now we will go through, that is place. Second one, place. He works dash bank. He works dash bank. Okay. He works in bank. He works dash factory, in factory. He works dash SBI main branch Ashok Nagar Bhubaneswar. He works dash SBI main branch unit 1 Bhubaneswar, that is 8. Okay, if address comes, that is 8. He lives dash village. He lives dash village. Now you see, he lives dash village, he lives in village, and he lives dash town, in town. But he lives in dash Patrapada, 8 Patrapada. He lives dash Murganoni, 8 Murganoni, name of the village. Okay, so he lives dash village, in village. He works dash Patrapada, 8 Patrapada. He lives dash Bhubaneswar, in Bhubaneswar, because you cannot locate one in Bhubaneswar because it is a vast place. So it is difficult to trace out a man in Bhubaneswar. So how can you trace out? Here you see he lives at 95 Bapuji Nagar, Bhubaneswar. Okay, this one is address. So you can easily locate him. So at is used before particular address, but in is used, that is vast area or large space. He lives dash Delhi, in Delhi. He lives dash Bhubaneswar, in Bhubaneswar, but he lives at 95 Bapuji Nagar, Bhubaneswar. He lives at E38 Telco Colony, Baramunda, Bhubaneswar, because that is, it refers to address. Okay, so here he lives dash village, in village. He lives dash Patrapada, at Patrapada. At is used before the name of the village, but in case of a village, in is used. Okay, now you see, he works dash bank, in bank. He works SBI main branch unit 1 Bhubaneswar, at. He works dash plant, in plant. He works Raulkela steel plant, Udit Nagar, Raulkela, that is at address. Okay, so now you see another aspect. Here you see there is a pen dash my pocket. There is a pen dash my pocket. This one is the place. There is a pen dash my pocket. In my pocket. Okay. I put the pen dash my pocket into my pocket. Moment le in re into, on re onto. Okay. There is a duster dash the table, on the table. And I put the duster dash the table, onto the table. There is a ball dash the floor, on the floor. I threw a ball dash the floor, onto the floor. There is water dash the bottle, in the bottle. I poured water dash the bottle, into the bottle. There is water dash the river, in the river. A boy jumped dash the river, into the river. Okay. A man is sitting dash the room, in the room, because it is a confined place. And she is sitting dash balcony, on balcony. That is the open space. Okay. So on, in, onto, into. Now it is clear? Okay. Now tell me, there is water dash the pot. In the pot, because it is a container or a confined place, water is in confined place. Okay. So there is water dash the bottle, in the bottle. There is water dash the pond, in the pond. I poured water dash the bottle, into the bottle. There is pen dash my pocket, in my pocket. I put a pen dash my pocket, into my pocket. So this is the difference. In, into, on, onto. Okay. Another place you see. In public place, jette public place achi, at is used before public place. Railway station, at the railway station. Bus stop, at the bus stop. Bus stand, at the bus stand. Cinema, at the cinema. Park, at the park. Okay. So these are known as public place. So at is used before public place. But railway, on railway. Railway station, at the railway station. Farm, on farm. Field, in the field. You see, I have already told you, there is a little bit of difference in meaning. Okay. So on a farm in the field, on a railway at the station. Okay. On a farm in the field, on is used before farm and in is used before field. Okay. A railway means the way on which rail runs. Jaha upare rail jaye means rail dharana. That is called a railway. So you should not walk on railway. but he is standing at the railway station, at the railway station. Okay, this is the difference. And he is sitting dash the room in the room, but he is sitting dash the balcony on the balcony. I kept my book dash the cupboard, in cupboard. I kept my key dash the drawer, in the drawer, because it is a confined place. I kept my book dash shelf, on shelf. Okay, and you see another place, and you can find your name on page number 16 in your diary. Okay, page number 16. On page number 16, your name is written at the top of the page. See, page arrayla, on page, at the top of the page. This is the difference. Okay, another one place, here you see, moment, that is 2 and 8. Virat threw a ball, dash Rohit. 8 Rohit or 2 Rohit, that is 2 Rohit. That is a friendly. And if it is aggressively, a naughty boy threw a ball, dash the dog, at the dog. Okay, this is the difference, little bit of the difference. Now you see another concept, you see. So, in case of communication, okay, he went Puri dash bus, by bus. He went Puri dash train, by train. He went Puri dash car, by car. He went Mumbai dash plane, by plane. If there is general, bus, train, car, so that is general. Which bus, which car, which train, that is not mentioned, but general. General thile by bus. Okay, now it is clear. Come to another aspect. He went Puri dash a train, on a train. Dash a bike, on a bike. Dash plane, by plane. Dash a plane, on a plane. Okay, and he went school dash cycle, bicycle, but he went school dash on a dash a cycle, on a cycle, dash his cycle, on his cycle, but he went to Puri dash his car, in his car. So what is the difference? Car, that is auto, that is there is a limited space in it. Okay, so you can't move freely there. Car te ta bhitru galo seat re basilo. Okay, so this is the difference. But in case of a bus and a train, you can move hither and thither, here and there, to and fro. Okay, so okay friends, now it is time for a short break. And okay friends, and we learn that is number 1, in time and on time. You see, that is in time. Another one, that is on time. In time for school boys, on time for a train. Okay, in time for school boys, on time for a train. Go to school on your cycle, but foreign by plane. Okay, so on time, in time. What is the difference between in time and on time? In time means that is before time. So students should come to school before time. Suppose there is fixed time 10 a.m. So students should come to school 9:45 or 9:30. Okay, so that is in time. And on time that is right time. Right time. Teachers come to class on time. Okay, teachers come to class on time, but children come to school in time. This is the difference. Express train leaves the station on time. Express train leaves the station, that is on time. So passengers should reach at the station, that is in time. This is the difference. Okay, on time means right time, in time means before time. Another one, that is on the way. Another one, that is in the way. Okay, what is the difference between on the way and in the way? I stopped at Pipili on the way to Puri. On the way means destination. I am going to Puri, but I stopped at Pipili on the way to Puri. That is, I stopped at Bhadrak on the way to Baleshwar. But in the way means that creates obstacle. That comes in the way. So there is a broken tree in the way, so I could not ride my bike. Okay, so on the way and in the way. On the way, that is a destination, and in the way, that is break or obstacle. Okay, on the way to destination, in the way to break, always make online payment, not in cash or by check. Okay, so now it is clear. Another one, that is in time, on the way, in the way, at the end, in the end. At the end and in the end. That is in the end. At the end of the month, at the end of week, at the end of year, at the end of cinema, because there is a fixed time. What is cinema? आम टीवी रे जतिक समय चली तुम टीवी रे भी सेतिक समय चलो. Okay, so that is at the end. At the end of the cinema, I enjoyed a lot. But in the end means he worked hard. There is no fixed time. He worked hard. In the end, he get a job. That in the end of the meeting, the chief guest distributed the prize. But meeting time, that is not when meeting gets end, that is not fixed. So, in the end is used in case of, that is in the end of the meeting, in the end of the, that is he worked hard, in the end, at last, that is in the end means at last. But at the end before or at the end of our fixed time. Okay, so at the end of the month, at the end of the year, at the end of the week, but in the end of meeting, in the end, he got a job. So this is the difference between in the end and at the end. Come to another aspect. Mode of payment. I have already told you mode of payment. By check, by draft, by check, by credit card, by draft, but in cash. Cash पूर्व कौन लगी वो in. I paid electric bill in cash. I paid electric bill dash check, by check, dash online, by online, dash draft, by draft, dash Paytm, by Paytm, but dash cash in cash. Okay. Another aspect I have already told you, that is the communication, he went Puri dash car, by car, but he went Puri dash his car, in his car. Why there is by car and in car? By car, that is general car, but here his car means a particular car, in his car. And he went Puri dash a bus, on a bus. Why there is on a bus? Why there is in a car? Bus, there is a space to move inside it, but there is no space to move inside it, to get free. But on bike or in bike, on a bike or that is in a bike, that is on a bike, because you can ride bike freely. Yes. So that's why we use preposition on. But in case of car or auto, in is used. If it is particular, but if there is general, suppose dash car, dash bus, by bus, dash train, by train. If it becomes a particular, this one is general. But if it becomes particular, a bus, so on a bus, a car, in a car. This is the difference. Okay. Now you see another time here. Suppose I am standing dash the fan, under the fan, and fan is dash my head, over my head. There is comparison. Empty question thibo. Kon thibo? You are standing under the fan, fan is dash your head, over your head. Khali jodi emi thibo, you are standing dash the fan, empty question kebe asibo nahi. Kon question asibo? Now you are standing under the fan, fan is dash your head, over your head. Because there is complementary. तमे ठिया है तले तो मो ऊपर फैन अच्छी, that is vertically, so that is over. But in case of an aeroplane flew away, or aeroplanes fly above the cloud, there is no fixed range, so that is above. And under and below, what is the difference between below and under? Under, there is fan is over my head, I am under the fan. But below, you see, this one is a mountain. Okay. So, there is a cottage. There is a cottage dash the mountain. Now tell me. Yes, there is a cottage dash the mountain, below the mountain. There is a cottage dash the mountain, below the mountain. Because there is no space here. Mountain tole jaga nathibo to build a cottage. Okay. So, if there is a fan exactly on my head, suppose you see duster is on the table and duster is dash the table, under the table, below the table. Not exactly below, not vertically below, just by its side. So, there is a cottage dash the mountain, there is a cottage below the mountain. But I am standing under the fan, fan is dash my head, over my head, or fan is over my head, I am standing dash the fan, under the fan. This is the difference between under and below. Okay. Now you see, he won election dash 500 votes, by 500 votes. Okay. He won election by 5,000 votes. And he won the race by 3 meters. By, okay? And another aspect you see, there is a difference between since and for. Logically try to understand since and for. I have been waiting here. I have been waiting here dash morning. I have been waiting here dash morning. What is the preposition here? Since morning. Okay. But I have been waiting here dash 3 hours. That is for 3 hours. Because here exact point of time and here that is the duration of time. For 3 hours, but since morning. Okay, this is the difference, since and for. I have been waiting here since morning. I have been waiting here since 10 o'clock. Okay, since 10 o'clock. I have been waiting here for 3 hours. Same thing, same duration, 10 taru gote 3 ghanta. And if you will say particular point of time, that is 10, so since 10 o'clock. But that is the duration of time, that is 3 hours for 3 hours. Okay. Next you see, in the corner of room, at the corner of road. I have already told you, there is a confined place. There is a TV dash the corner of room, in the corner of room. There is a tree dash the corner of road, at the corner of road. There is a cabin dash the corner of road, at the corner of road. But there is a TV dash the corner of room, in the corner of room. Another you see, that is between and among. Between our headmaster distributed prizes between Raja, that is between Raja, Rohit and Roshan. There are three persons here. There are three boys, Raja, Rohit and Roshan. There are three persons. But generally you know between is used for two things or two persons. If there is name in this way, so between also used. So headmaster distributors or sweets between Raja and Rohit or between Raja, Rohit and Roshan. No problem. So naming word here. Another one, that is among. Among is used for mass. Okay, the chief guest distributed the prizes among the winners. Number of winners more than 2, 3, 4, 5. A name is not mentioned. That's why among is used. And another one that is make up, make from, and yes, make from and make of. That is cheese is made from milk. You see, cheese is made from milk, but ring is made of gold. You see, this is the byproduct here. Cheese is made from milk and ring is made of gold. What is the difference? Here you see. And the chair is made of fiber. Table is made of wood. But bread is made from flour. Cheese is made from milk. What is the difference? Yes, here matter is equal to material. This one, matter is equal to, sorry, is not equal to material. But here, matter is equal to, or matter is equal to material. This one is not equal, but here this is equal. Suppose there is a table made of wood. But a table touch, what is this? Sir, this one is, that is a table. Okay. And you will make some piece of it. Jodi khonda kattiki tumaku dekheibi, what is this? Tome kono koibo eta table boli? That is wood. Okay? Tar asiyala original material. So matter is equal to material. Sethire off lagibo. Very important. If matter is equal to material, sethire off lagibo. If matter is not equal to material, sethire from lagibo. Okay? Cheese. Mention cheese. If you like put a question, what is this? You will say that is cheese. If you alpo tikke nebi, kahibi eta kono, what will be your answer? Is it milk? No. Same thing, that is cheese. So this is the difference, make up and made from. Another one, you see, that is compare with, compare to. Compare with, then compare to. What is the difference between compare with and compare to? Compare with the same species, same designation, same thing or same people. But compare to, that is different. Naxals or terrorists are compared to the beast. Beast means animal, Pasu. Naxals, they are human being. Naxals are human being. Terrorists are also human being. But their activities are just like the activity of the beast or animal. So compare to, Naxals are compared to the beast, to the animal. But compare with, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is compared with Socrates. Socrates is a philosopher. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan also a philosopher. He is a man, he is also a man. Okay. So compare with, and another one, that is compare to. Next one, that is blind in, blind to. Here blind in means originally blind. He is blind in one eye. She is blind in one eye. But blind to means artificially. But here naturally. Artificial means mothers are blind to the fault of their children. Mothers are blind to the fault of their children. निज पिलाटार जिते दोष थिले भी माँ मैंने कहे मो छुआ निर्दोष देखिकी न देखला परी दैट इज ब्लाइंड टू बट यूर ब्लाइंड इन मीन्स दैट इज naturally he is blind or she is blind in one eye. Okay, another one, die. That is a die, died of, died from, died in, died of disease, any disease. Okay, died of disease, died from, and died in, that is accident. He died in an accident. And died of means any disease. He died of corona. He died of cancer. He died of diabetes. He died of high blood pressure. That is any disease. Died in, he died in an accident. How jete rahela died from. Okay. He died from overeating. He died from drowning. He died from burning. He died from taking poison. Okay. Podi ki marila, pudi mariba, budi mariba. So died from. Okay. And died of, that is any disease. But died in, that is accident. He died in an accident. This is the difference. Now it is clear. Okay. Any disease, he died of cancer, he died of corona, but died from, he died from drowning, he died from overeating, and he died from falling from the tree. Gacharu padiki marijiva. He died in an accident. Accident re male in an accident. Okay. Another, that is in ink, in a pencil, with a pen, with a knife, in pencil, with pencil. What is the difference here? Yes. And in a knife. Here you see, write this answer in black ink or write answer in ink. Okay, in ink. Ink purburu in lagila. And that is a pen with a pen. He wrote an essay with a pen or with a pencil, with pencil, with a pen or with pencil. But here in a pencil, in case of in pen, sorry, with pen, and in a pencil in case of passive. Okay, and this line is written in a pencil, but he is writing with pencil. And this page was written dash ink, in ink. A fruit was cut in a knife. In a knife. And a fruit was cut dash a knife. That is in a knife. He is cutting a fruit dash a knife with a knife. Because the agent is there. But here there is no agent. Okay? एथरे agent नहीं, passive structure. एथरे लगी गला in. Active structure. So agent is there. Then say sense रे कौन use होगा with. Okay. Another one. That is preside over, preside at. What is the difference between preside at and preside over? Preside at. The chief minister presided at the cabinet meeting, at the meeting of cabinet. Cabinet meeting, preside at particular group. But if there is a public meeting, that is preside over. Preside over. The chief minister presided over the public meeting. That is presided over. But in case of cabinet meeting, there is presided at particular group, particular taking the cabinet ministers or taking members or staff members, etc. Okay, so preside at and preside over, that is public meeting, that is preside over. Another one, that is till until. That is till until, you see. What is the difference between till and until? Both are same. Till and until. But there is a little difference. What is the difference? I will wait here until he returns. Okay. So here until is used as conjunction because there are two clauses. I will wait here and he returns. There are two clauses. So until is used here as conjunction. But preposition, I will wait here until his return. There is no verb, his return, that is noun, okay? But till, I will wait here till evening, till 5:30, till 9 a.m. So till is used both as a preposition and conjunction. Until is used both in as a preposition and conjunction. Okay, but till is used only as preposition. And another difference, until can be used in the beginning, but till cannot be used in beginning. Okay. And friends, these are all about, that is a preposition, and there are two chapters left. One is that is adverb clause, another is narration change or direct indirect. Next class we will go through it, but never forget, get up at 4:30, yoga at 5, at 12:30 enjoy the G Odisha life. Okay friends, thanks to all.